Welcome everyone to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope it has been a great trading day. Lots of news out there right now happening, hitting the marketplace. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so as I said, hope you're having a great day. We've been enjoying a little bit of beach time today, my wife and I, so we're having a little bit of fun. I just got back in time to do this recording. So let's see what we've got first on economic reports. So we're looking at the week of the 21st to the 27th, which starts on Sunday, of course. So 10 a.m. on Monday, we've got existing homes and Richmond manufacturing. They're orange. They're okay, but they are when the market is open. Keep that in mind. 9:45, that was on Tuesday. 9:45 on Wednesday, we've got PMI. 10 o'clock, we have new home sales. So two reports as markets open. 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, we've got GDP. I'm not worried, but that would interest me. And then unemployment for sure would interest me. We've got G20 day number one. Now, the question is it going to be a G20 or G19? Right? Because right now, either Biden is A, COVID, or B, there's a lot of talk on him pulling out of the race for next year. And what happens? Does he pull out of the race? Does he turn president over to her? Is it, Article 25, blah, blah, blah. So that may be a meeting that is of great interest based on what happens with him. 8:30 on Friday, we've got PCE. 10 o'clock on Friday is consumer sentiment. And then day two on Friday of the G20 meeting. All right, so let's go over and take a look at the market and the VIX. So the market's down. Yes, it is down again. I'm hearing all kinds of freaking out. Oh my God, Rob, this hasn't happened now. The last time we broke through the 8 and 21 was all the way over here. And, we closed below it barely there and popped right back up. This was a clear violation. And we still have about 5 minutes left till the market closes. Today is a clear violation. We pulled back right now to the 54.99.84, so that 5,500, which was part of the ABC pattern or the 100% stacking that we were looking at there. Right, that's our 100. So we pulled back to that key level in there. And we've got the 54.73, which is a fib number, right in there. It's a midpoint on the two major fib lines. So am I concerned at this point? Concerned is not the word. Cautious is probably the word. Am I okay with the pullback? Yes, I like the pullback. I need stocks to pull back. I need positions to reset. I need places to redraw fibs like we have here. We will be redrawing the fibs on the S&P 500 for next week. We'll have them done in there next week. I'm not drawing them now because we do that in power option plays. Because once my charts are set, they're set. I don't change them back again. So we're going to redraw fibs come next week. After today's pullback, without a question, we had a clear reversal and definitely a place to redraw. With us down below the 21, okay, I would rather it was above the 8 right now, but we've had that for 2 days. It's got to get down there. We need some capitulation, a little bit of squirming in your boots, people uncomfortable a little bit. I'd watch that 54.73, and then that 54.10 is the next line down here, which comes into our 55 exponential moving averages right now, right? So big numbers, a lot of importance, a lot of interest, concern, whatever words you want to use there, a lot of focus right on that point, right? If we go ahead and look at the VIX, fear, let me just get this out of the way. Right, if we look at fear, we're back up. This is 3 days in a row, and we kind of drifted up 2 days prior to that yet. Yesterday was a massive day. We had a big gap up today, and it looks like shaved bottom could be what winds up being very close to a shaved top, meaning we open at the very bottom, and we're closing right near the very top. So the bears are in control, right? With the S&P going down, the VIX is going up. Right, we're at 1666. I don't like the 666 part of that number at all. Call it superstition, call it whatever you want. I am just not a fan of that number. Will we stay there? We still have 3 more minutes left. Who knows? We may get a small move. So yeah, we moved a penny off it right now. But we are still in low range. Have our options prices come up a little bit? Yes. You're going to see that 2 to 6%, 8% increase in the options prices there-ish. Some will be more, some will be less, right? But overall, we're seeing an increase in prices from where they were about a week ago on our options here, right? So what are we looking at then on the S&P for targets? If we get the move to the downside, I said the 54.73, the 54.10. If we push up 55.34 and 50, we'll call it 5600, because I've got a 55.98.70. We'll call it 5600 is our next upside target From there, life is good. All right. If we keep pushing down, what am I looking for? A key level bounce. I want to see a key level bounce. The last time we broke through, what did it do? You got to be able to look at the market today and go back in history and analyze where has this happened before and what transpired. Is that a guarantee? I mean, a guarantee that it's going to happen again? No, it's not. Is there a higher probability if it's done it before? Yes. Can we find patterns that are similar but not exact? Yes. It may not be the exact amount of dollars down. It may not be the exact number of days down. It may not be the exact big or small candles down, but we can see patterns setting up how it transpired over X days or X dollar amounts, and we're watching this. Does it all have to be all of them be exactly the same? No, but we can see the patterns setting up. We saw bigger days in the beginning here. Are we going to see some lighter days? Do we start getting some gaps and retests? All of these are going to play into it. So take this from a position of position number one in your chair, where you're doing it as a focused investigation on what are we looking for next, and then really dig in on what's happening now and what's happened the last time we got this breakdown. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at the next update. Bye for now.